Today we're making the coolest donuts you'll ever see. By the way, this is my recipe book, which I'm not going to show you. Flour, baking soda, a little bit of salt, powdered sugar. In a different bowl, we got some eggs, milk. Don't be shy, put some more. Sour cream, yes, you heard it right. Mix, mix, mix. A little bit of vanilla. Adding some butter. And we mix. Mixing the liquids. Ah! Oh my god. And we continue. And we mix, mix, mix. Should look like this. Taking the batter and dividing it into 4. Taking some green. Which color would this be? Should look like this. Come back for part 2. Now let me try to get them out. Oh my god, I did it. Should look like this. How pretty. And now we're making some frosting. So we need powdered sugar, a very small amount of milk. And I like to add a little bit of this, but you really don't have to. Boom. And we mix. Should look like this. Taking the donuts after they cooled off, dip it in. Should look like this. And I add some sprinkles. Should look like this.